Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about one story, The Wait in the Forest by Lahiri Chaudhary. This story defines about an incident in which a herd of elephant is there, in which one injured elephant is also there. The forest department people found that the herd is waiting at one place and there was an injured elephant in that. The herd was waiting under salt trees. A huge forest of salt trees were there, and the herd of elephant used to walk some distance and then return back to its injured one. The people tried to do their best for the injured elephant. In this, the forest department people took the help of a vet. Vet means the veterinary doctor, the doctor who looks after the animals. Anyhow, these people, along with the doctor, managed to keep the herd away from the injured elephant. But it was very difficult because the elephants are very sensitive in nature. They never tolerate anybody interfering in them. They never tolerate even anybody trying to hurt or touch any individual in their group. But it was a challenge to these people. With the help of the locals, with the help of the villagers, they anyhow managed to keep the herd away from the injured one, and meantime they used the tranquilizer to make the injured one unconscious, and they did operate the wound and put the ointment on that. After that, they wanted to wait in the jungle for whole night to look after that injured elephant, but it was very difficult because a huge herd of 50 elephants were waiting and watching these people. So these people decided to return back to their camp, and in the morning they learned that the injured elephant joined its herd and went away. Then they took the sigh of relief. Through this story, although this story is not very important, but the theme is very important. The author conveys the message that the elephants are very sensitive, cooperative, lives in society, and they are very caring too, because they were going in search of water, but they found an injured individual in their herd, and they waited by the side of a dry lake under the salt trees. This says that they can bear any pain for their dear ones. Through this story, the author conveys the message that we should also be like them. We should also cooperate with each other. We should also share the pains of the other people. We should also treat everybody equal, respect everybody equal. Then only we can live in the society peacefully. Thank you, students. More in next. Be blessed.